Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing another contest, which you probably know because it's in the YouTube title. Let's see. I did 478, so yeah, I'm back to page one. I'm gonna do the bi-weekly contest 171. Right? Let me double check. Don't want to skip one. I want to do them in order just because otherwise it's even more harder to figure out which one. But yeah, hope everyone's doing okay. This is a weird intro. I really should be a little bit more prepared, so my apologies. But I do want to keep these live and not super produced and edit. So okay, last one is 478. So I think that's right? Yeah, so we're back on page one. That's good. Bi-weekly contest 171. Hit the like button, subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest, and let's get started. Yeah, let's go. What did I click on? Okay, there we go. What is going on with my UI? Okay. Every suffix is really annoying. I mean, nothing too hard, but just annoying. 10 to the 9. What's 10 to the 9? Like 30,000. I think we should be fine with just what's K? Is it all K? Okay. Something like that, right? True, false, true. Alright, I mean, is there 0? No, there's 1 though. 1 should not be a prime. Though I think I returned true here. So I think that's a gotcha. Usually they define prime more specifically. Like they say they usually be more specific with like S2 devices or something. Which but I guess they just I don't know what happened to this UI. Okay, but it's worth spending an extra second sometimes because otherwise you get a 5-minute penalty and it's just dumb. Okay, increase numbers by 1, decrease by binary. Okay. Num sub I. Okay. So okay. That seems pretty straightforward. It's just the number of deltas, right? Divided by 2 or something, right? Something like that, right? Nope. something like that, right? 0, 1, 1, 1. Ooh, I almost messed up. That, oh, huh. I messed up. I thought you could choose which digit to do it. So okay, so this is not right. And I have to think about it a little bit more. Okay. Well, they only go up to 5,000, which is interesting, maybe. Well, that means that at most each one of these does 5,000 operations, so you can increment, and that go. I guess you just kind of yeah, do it. You have to try to do it fast, I suppose, and not one time. But I think there's like a pigeonhole thing. You just 5,000 operations. Well, if anything, you could go to 1, right? So yeah, okay, fine. Is it 2 times x? Probably. I don't know. I don't know if this is like the best way though. This may be a little bit slow, but maybe I could do it this way. This isn't even right, but what? I know that maybe I have to convert this to a string, but I was hoping that it just does like a you know, like a pairwise comparison, which apparently not. Okay. Is it fast? I don't know. Or is it fast enough? I don't know. Because it's gonna be 1, 3. There are a lot of numbers that should be good though. So maybe it should be just fast enough. We YOLO submit, and hopefully we don't time out. Okay. Was a little bit worried about the timeout, but this is like a lot annoying contest. Q1 and Q2. Well, it took me a while though. People are very fast apparently. People are so good these days. So good in ways that they weren't 2 years ago. Don't know why. Okay. So this is just like DP, right? Oh. No, yeah, it's just index K. Yeah, I mean that should be right. I mean I don't know if doing it this way is smart, but it should be fine, right? min, is it? No, max, right? Okay. Just write it the normal way. So use technique 2. If I could spell it. I know I'm writing this a little bit weird. Well, doubly weird because it's wrong, but what did I miss? How did I do Python? I mean, if it times out, I blame on Leetcode. Wait, actually, I forgot to look at the complexity. No, this should time out. Why did I forget to look at the complexity? Huh? That's really silly. Yeah, I mean, this should time out. I had a brain fart. For some reason, I thought K was small. This is really dumb. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. But okay, let's double think. Just greedy, right? I mean, it's greedy. I'm just dumb. I wrote DP because it was easy. I'm dumb. So this is taking A. Right. Okay, and then we just sort, right? I don't know why I did it the other way. I mean, I think I just had a brain fart about the constraints. Okay. So then f is equal to n while k is not equal to left. Okay. So this is a minus b. So then, okay. So then, point what? Okay. So what do I do? K is equal to left. No, that's not right. For d and delta. Okay, so then now, if k is equal to left, yeah, okay, then yeah, total or d. And this would happen for all of them. Otherwise, we just take it, right? So if That means that if it's negative, we don't take it. What are we doing? I could probably say this in a different way. Okay, so we take all the things, then we take the first k, and then the, okay, yeah, we take the first k, right? And then the rest we just take, get if it's greater than 0, right? I think that's it. Yeah, I don't know why I did it with the DP way. I think I just kind of, I don't know, brain fart. People did it so fast, but I did it in a dumb way. Okay. These times are just not reliable anymore. Okay. What's K? Oh, I see. So we're solving it. So there must be some sliding window E thing, maybe. So okay, so we do this, or maybe not sliding window, but well, maybe sliding window. What is n again? N is big, so we have to do divide and conquer on this, and then now then it's just easy, right? Because it's just removing the 3 and adding the 5. Okay, I mean this is pretty straightforward. We just have to do and we don't even have to do the divide and conquer thing, right? We can just do sorted list type thing, right? So okay, yeah, annoying but doable. Okay, I think everything is annoying to me because I'm just lazy. Okay, so then now we add a number, right? So when we add this number, we count the number numbers that are bigger, right, as the inversion. Oh, the minimum inversion count, not the total. It's the same thing though. It doesn't matter. I mean, it's just a different thing. For some reason, I thought it was going to be sum of all subarray inversions or something like that, which I guess maybe there's a different solution on just counting principles. Okay, but for this, then now, yeah. We want to count the stuff that's strictly greater than. So let's just say this is R, length of SL minus R is going to be the count. Right. So this is the current total number of inversions. So and then SL dot add R, right? Nope, X, right? And then now do two things. Just sliding window. So this is greater than 0. Then we subtract it, right? But before we subtract it, now everything that's inside, we want to, the number of inversions is the number of numbers that are smaller than it, right? So number of numbers that are smaller than it. Okay, that's it actually. And then now if this part, so if I is equal to k minus 1, then now we have exactly k items, and then we just do current, right? So best is equal to min best current, and I think this is it. Nope. Well, I got the 2. Did I mess up? Okay, 1, 2. Why does this only show once? That's oh, I'm dumb. Okay, so that's why this is wrong. That's okay. Alright, 060, alright. We Gucci, let's give it a spin. Should be fast enough, right? Okay, yeah. Not too bad. A little bit sad about the Q3, but 75th. That's actually higher than I expected. Especially since there's a lot. I guess maybe there's not. I don't know. It's a good amount of cheaters for sure. At least I don't know. I thought someone keeps telling me that they removed them, but it seems like, you know, this is a little bit high. I was a little bit slow. All right. I mean, let's do a quick retro. Q1 I took my time on just because it's so easy. I don't know. I've been messing up primes a lot, so I've been kind of make sure that I go a little bit easy. This one, I think I just misread this a little bit. 5 minutes still feels a little bit longer than I took, but I just misread it. Maybe that's why. And I was a little bit unsure about the not complexity, but just like the timing of it, which maybe we're fine. I mean, you know, fine enough. This one I just kind of misread, or not. I don't know. I just kind of, for some reason, I just saw a small case here, and I just didn't bother. I didn't look at the constraints really. And then as soon as I submit, I'm like, wait, that doesn't even make sense in the constraints. I just remember that I forgot to look at the constraints. And this one is pretty straightforward, honestly. Like I probably could have been a little bit faster, but yeah. Overall, pretty straightforward contest. I don't know. 75th is it? I mean, the one wrong answer kind of hurt, but I mean, it would have been respectable otherwise, I think. Anyway, yeah, that's it. That's what I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.